Okay, now it's time to customize the bash environment. Now, as we learned previously, that ls can do the listing file. So if I type ll, actually ll is not a command. It is alias from the ls. And how did I know that? By using the alias command. So alias like this and press ll or type the command. You will notice that ll equal ls minus l. Okay, so that's why ll show us the same result as ls-l. Now, why is this used? Because sometimes you wrote a long command and you don't need to write it over again and over again. So you want to have, for example, ls-la, and it will show us something like that. Then we can use the alias command and put the s command equal, put single quotation, I mean the command inside a single quotation, and it will be like this. So if I type s now, it will show us ls-l, as you can see. But you can see that if I quit from the terminal and I open it again, let's increase the font size. If I type s this time, you can see it will start showing us command not found. We need to write the alias again. Now, how to solve such a thing? Now, we already saw that, if you remembered from the lecture, when we put the environment variable, remember the var1, because var1 is not here anymore. So, how to make things permanently available? By using and modifying the .bashrc file. So, actually, we have the Kali Linux user. Inside it, we have the .bashrc. If I scrolled up, as you can see, .bashrc. This is the for the non-lognable or the interactive terminals. So .bashrc, and here we can put whatever values we want. We learned about the alias, right? So if I type s, it will show us something like that. Now, if I want to unalias it, so I will use an alias command. Okay, so the same alias but an alias like this. But I need to remove the s equal, so an alias s. So s now is not found, okay? Command not found.